In continuation with the evaluation of double integration, with the help of the change of order of integration concept, let us have second problem. So in the second problem we can observe that limit of inner integration is in terms of x. Therefore it will be limit of which variable? Its opposite variable, that is y. Okay. And as inner integration limit depends on x, depends on y, outer integration limit will be limit for which variable? X variable. Okay. So the region of integration now will be bounded by four curves. The first curve is the first curve is the first curve is y is equal to x square. Second curve is y is equal to 2 minus x, so y is equal to 2 minus x. Third curve is what? X is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, and fourth curve is x is equal to 1. So these four curves what are bounding a region of integration. Okay, so let us go for what sketching one by one all these four curves. The first curve what represents parabola. Why it is represent parabola? Because even power of x is there, all powers of x are even. Curve is symmetrical about y axis. It passes through origin, because if you put x equal to 0 we get y equal to 0, if you put y equal to 0 we get x equal to 0, and if both are 0 we get again what equation gets satisfied? It passes through origin only. So this curve what passes through origin only, and tangent at origin can be obtained by equating lowest degree term. Lowest degree term is y. Equate y to 0 we get equation of what? X-axis. So x-axis is acting as a tangent, and there is no asymptote, okay, parallel to x-axis, because if you equate 1 to 0 we get 0, and again there is no asymptote parallel to y-axis, because highest degree term in y is y itself, its coefficient is 1 equal to 0 is contradiction. And you will find that for negative values of y, negative values of y means what? The value below x-axis. Okay, so negative values of y, what? X square is negative, and if x square is negative it is contradiction. Therefore what this curve is what? Having region of absence below x-axis, it is also it is only what available above x-axis. So what? Suppose that this is your x-axis and this one is your y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, and that one will be your what? Upward open parabola. So upward open parabola, it will be like this, and this parabola is nothing but which parabola? Y is equal to what? X square. So y is equal to x square is a parabola. Okay, so y is equal to x square is this parabola. Okay, so this one is your y is equal to x square. Now let us go for the second curve. Second curve is y equal to 2 minus x. Y equal to 2 minus x represent a straight line. Why it is a straight line? Because x power is 1, y power is 1, okay, and x and y are not in multiplication. Therefore what it represents? A straight line. So it is looking like y is equal to minus x plus c. So y is equal to mx plus c type. M is equal to minus 1 here. So slope of this line is minus 1. It is parallel to which axis? Y equal to minus x axis. Okay, and if you want to locate this, yes, we know that if you want to locate any straight line, you find out 2 points on the straight line. So put x equal to 0, that is point on y axis, you get value of y, and put y equal to 0, you get value what? On x axis. So let us put y is equal to 0. If y is 0, yes, x is equal to 2, and if what? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So we have 2 points here. So first point is what? X is 0, y is 2. Suppose that y distance 2 is here somewhere, okay, and same distance, if y is 0, x is equal to 2. So suppose x equal to 2 is somewhere here. So you will be having a straight line passing through these two. Okay, so that straight line will be like this. So straight line is starting with this, and it will end over here somewhere. Okay, so suppose that this point is 2 0, this point is 0 2. Okay, and now you can see that these two curves, these two pink curves, are cutting each other what? At 2 points. First point is on positive x-axis side, and second point is on negative x-axis side. So let us find out point of intersection of these two. You will be getting 2 points of intersection. So second curve is what y is equal to what 2 minus x. Okay, so this one is your second curve. If you extend, you get like this. So we have two curves, y equal to x square and y is equal to 2 minus x. So let us put y equal to 2 minus x here. Okay, y is equal to 2 minus x if you put in first equation, or if you put y equal to x square in second equation, meaning is same. So what we get? So what we get is, I am going to write here. So if you put y is equal to x square, we get what? X square, okay, is equal to 2 minus x. Okay, take all the terms on one side, that gives you what? X square plus x minus 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. And you will observe that it is very easy to solve this problem or this equation. Yes, you will find that if you put x equal to 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2, and minus 2 will get cancelled. So first point for our first value of x is equal to what? 1. X is equal to 1. And even you will observe that if you put x equal to minus 2, so minus 2 and this minus 2, it becomes minus 4, and minus 2 square it becomes 4. So the second value of x is what? Minus 2. So x has two values, one is 1 and another one is minus 2. If I put x is equal to 1, okay, in any of the equations, suppose that we are putting x equal to 1 here. If I put x is equal to 1 here, yes, we get y is equal to 1. So if x is 1, yes, y is 1. If x is 1, y is 1 is first point of intersection. And if you put x is equal to minus 2, okay, if you put x is equal to minus 2 here, minus 2 square is plus 4. So we get second point as 4. Okay, you will find that what? The point A will be here. Okay, so point A will be what? 1 1, and point B, this will be your point B. Okay, point will be negative x, that is minus 2, and plus 4, okay, which will be, and that is your point B. So we got 2 points of intersection. Now why we require 2 points of intersection? We require point of intersection for our deciding from where these two curves x equal to 0, x equal to 1 passes. So let us now go for x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is equation of which axis? Y axis. So x equal to 0 is here. X equal to 0. This is your x equal to 0. Okay, and next curve is x equal to 1. Now if you will not find point of intersection, you will be having confusion whether what that x equal to 1 passes and intersects two different curves at two different points, whether it passes through common point of contact, okay, or whether it passes after common point of contact and intersecting that two curves separately. So there are three possibilities. But if you find point of intersection, which possibility is correct? The middle possibility is correct, that curve passes through which point? 1 1. Okay, so x is equal to 1. So what we have? We have four curves. Okay, y equal to x square, y is equal to 2 minus x, and then what? X is equal to 0, and what? X is equal to 1. Note that your region of integration will be in between two blue lines. Okay, so possibility regarding the region of integration will be like this. So first possibility is what? Whether it is this region, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, so let us find out which one is correct region of integration. So for finding correct region of integration, what I am going to do is, let me have a strip. Note that initial strip is parallel to which axis? Y axis. So this is your initial strip. So this initial strip, yes, moves from what? Left to right, from first blue line to second blue line. So it moves from first blue line to second blue line. Okay, so let us have a blue line. Okay, let us have a blue strip. So blue strip will be like this. Okay, so this strip will move from what? Left to right. It is moving like this. Okay, now look at the ends of this strip. Where are the ends of this strip? You can see that the lower end is on x square equal to y, and x square equal to y is what? Your parabola. So left lower end is on y is equal to x square, or what? X square equal to y, whereas upper end is on the straight line y is equal to 2 minus x. So you can check it out that what? Lower end is here, upper end is here, means what? This strip will swept out the region number 3. Okay, so let us shade that region number 3 lightly, and if you move, what we get? what one region swept out, that region number will be region number 3, and that's why your actual figure for your region of integration will look like this. Okay, each and everything. Okay, now what you will be doing, initial strip was parallel to which axis, y axis. When we change the order of integration, the strip becomes parallel to which axis, x axis. Let me clear out this sketches. So initial strip was parallel to which axis, y axis. When we change the order of integration, the strip becomes parallel to which axis, x axis, and you will find that that strip will move from bottom to top. So this strip moves from bottom to top like this. So it is starting its motion from this position, and this position is nothing but a straight line position. What, x axis, equation of x axis is y equal to 0. That's why this strip moves from bottom to top from y is equal to 0. So it moves from y is equal to 0, it moves in upward direction, and it will go up to what, y is equal to 2. So the horizontal strip moves what, vertically, and the vertical strip moves from what, left to right horizontally. Okay, so this strip moves from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 2. While its motion, you can check it out that throughout this region the left end is on which axis, y axis. Okay, and a right end will be on parabola until this separation, and after this it will be on straight line. And here you will observe that for the right end of the strip is not stucking on the same curve throughout the region. Okay, no doubt left end is stucking on same curve, that is your that is your y axis. This one is your y axis. So left end, you can check it out that it is stucking on same curve. But what about right end? So right end is here, right end will move like this. Okay, so up to this what, it is on parabola, but once you enter into region number 2, it will be on straight line. That's why region of integration, the strips of the ends are not stucking on same curve. That's why this region splits in two parts, R1 and R2. So let me write what limits for R1 and R2. You observe that in first region what y varies from. So this is your this is nothing but your y x axis, equation of x axis is y equal to 0. So from y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 in R1, and in R2 y equal to 1 to y equal to 2. So it is very much evident that what we got limit by motion, and that limit will be a limit of outer integration. Okay, so let me write that limit first. So my outer integration limit varies from, that outer integration limit varies from what, in R1, in region R1, yes, y varies from 0 to 1, and in R2 that y varies from what to what, 1 to 2. Now what is happening as far as x is concerned? Let us go for finding limit of x. How to find limit of x? So for that, look at the ends of the strip. You will observe that the left end of the strip in R1 and also in R2 depends or sticks on what, your y axis, and equation of y axis is what, x is equal to 0. So left end is on x equal to 0, here also left end is on x equal to 0, whereas a right end, see where is the right end, in region R1 right end is on equation of parabola. So what is equation of parabola? Y is equal to x square. I require value of x, so here I am having value of x square. So let me write value of x equal to, yes, I got two values of what, x is equal to plus or minus root y. So I got two values of x, which value I should select? So this one is what, y plus, and this one is y, sorry, this one is plus this is what, x plus, this parabola side is x plus, and this is what, x minus. So which I should select? I am dealing with what, x equal to plus root y. Note that x plus is on a right hand side of your y axis, so x plus root y I should select. So left hand is on plus, okay, intentionally I am going to write what, plus root y, and right hand is left hand is on x equal to 0, right hand is on plus what, root y. What about second region? In second region, once you enter into second region, no doubt right hand is on what, x equal to 0, whereas left hand is on this straight line. And what is the equation of this straight line? Equation of this straight line is x equal to 2 minus y. Y equal to 2 minus x is same as x equal to 2 minus. I require x value of x, therefore x is equal to what, I should write 2 minus y. So this is limit, and this is limit over region R1, this is limit over region R2. and you know that double integration over the region R, okay, where R is equal to R1 union R2, if it is happening, then double integration over the region R is same as double integration over the region R1 plus double integration over the region R2. Therefore this is what double integration over the region R, and that is equal to double integration over the region R1 and double integration over the region R2. So just put the values of limits of R1 and R2 respectively. So R1 limit is 0 to 1, 0 to plus root y, and R2 limit is 1 to 2 and 0 to 2 minus y. Therefore integrate this. First integration now will be carried out with respect to x, because strips are parallel to which axis? X axis. So integrate with respect to x first. Integration of x dx, here also x dx is x square by 2, x square by 2. Put upper limit and try to simplify, and if you simplify, yes, we get the answers like this. Yes, we get the answer equal to 3 by 2. Okay, it is very easy integration, that's why I'm not going to explain it in detail. Thank you.